Hello everyone, Hind here from PhiShop, and today we are discussing the PhiBrow's disposable tool Blade and Shade. This is a disposable tool for creating eyebrow looks with the PhiShading technique, meaning microblading plus PhiShading. Why do both? It is when you want to improve the results by adding the shading effect to your work. This will create beautiful eyebrows that your clients will love. If we look at the product, you should receive a box of 10 Blade and Shade disposable tools. Each package would contain the disposable tool and a pigment ring holder with a blade cleaner in it. The packages are sterile, so please use one package for each client. And always check the expiring date of sterilization because you shouldn't use the disposable tool after this date. And as well, you can see here the brown stripe that would tell you if the package is sterile or not, so check this one as well. The product is very light to hold and contains two different blades. So to open the first one, we have the 304 U blade. With this blade, you can create very fine and precise hairs. It is called a 304 U blade because it is made of 304 stainless steel in a U shape, as you can see. And it is, if you don't know, the 304 stainless steel is used for medical operations. If we open the second blade, we have here the 3R shading blade. This tip is usually used for the shading effect. It creates fine and small dots, resulting in shading between the individual hairs that you already draw. It is named 3R because actually it is 3 blades. It is made of 3 blades. At the other end of the tool, you will find the applicator tip, with which actually you can apply the pigment as a mask at the end of the treatment and leave it to work for a few minutes. Furthermore, the package contains a pigment ring for easier use of the color during the treatment. If you look closer, the ring here, you see this part, it forms a blade cleaner for working easily. Et voila! This is all we can offer you on this product, but we will answer any question you will have that you can put in the box below. Adios!